Fathom AI. Are your meetings stealing hours from your day just because you're busy scribbling notes? Meet Fathom, the AI meeting assistant that's making manual note-taking obsolete. Launched in 2020, Fathom quickly became a favorite for teams on Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. And in 2025, it's even smarter. Its real-time transcription works in over 28 languages, instantly capturing every word while identifying each speaker. Forget guessing who said what. Fathom keeps it crystal clear. But here's where it really shines. Fathom doesn't just take notes. It extracts highlights, action items, and to-do lists, then automatically syncs them with tools like Asana, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Notion. That means your follow-ups are ready before the meeting even ends. Need a quick recap? Fathom generates concise summaries of every meeting, saving hours of rewatching or reading transcripts. And thanks to its searchable history, you can find any moment from any meeting just by typing a keyword. Fathom also goes beyond notes. Its AI scorecards and coaching tools evaluate your meeting performance, helping teams improve communication and efficiency. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Slack, Gmail, Zapier, and your calendar, making it a natural fit for any workflow. Worried about privacy? Fathom's block lists and security controls let you choose which meetings stay off record, so sensitive conversations stay private. And with its mobile app and offline access, you can review your notes anywhere. Whether you're in sales, marketing, HR, operations, or product development, Fathom turns meetings into actionable insights, boosting productivity across the board. Stop wasting time on manual notes and miss details. With Fathom, your meetings become smarter, shorter, and far more productive.